This is IT-Man PH at ngayon may papapakita lang tayo sa inyo. So, I've coded all night. So, currently mag-alas 6 na ng linggo at hindi tayo titigil sa pangangarap natin. So, currently, I'm partially vibe coding. Actually, really helps me a lot. Like, yung mga UI, sobrang tagal ko talaga mag-code. But right now, especially with the research, ChatGPT and the Claude and the other AI na ginagamit ko, it boosts my productivity as well as my kumbaga may fruits of my labor for tonight's video. Yun, kahit na medyo oily face na tayo, medyo sabog na tayo, pero I'm really proud of what we achieved today. And for about ilang hours, nagising ako ng alas 3, alas 4 ng hapon. Then I started writing codes agad and even planning on how to do it, kung paano namin i-improve, paano ko i-improve yung payroll automation process. And hindi lang siya actually payroll automation process. With this multiple AIs na ginagamit ko, of course premium siya para mas matalino, hindi limited at mas nakaka-search sa internet. I did ask the AI to make sure na don't rely on my ideas, but of course mag-come up ng documentation kung paano namin gagawin ng project, from salary overview to de minimis benefits to earnings and deductions such as commissions, yung mga government contribution, and even ERPAT is now compatible with GSIS. So, government employee, kaya niya mag-generate ng payroll. I'm really excited with marketing. Alam niyo nang gagawin niyo, and I'm pretty confident na sasabog itong mga features na to. Kasi ngayon, hindi ko pa kasi mapapakita, pero the payroll itself has a timeline na may audit trail kung anong binabago. Pero lang, payroll related. Hindi lang yan sa payroll related. Sa salary history progression, may salary grading na si ERPAT. Meaning, mas organize yung pag-promote mo, mas organize yung pagtaas mo. Minsan kasi problema sa company na nagtataas ka tapos wala na pala sa budget and even doon sa grading. So, malalaking company, they have this system called salary grading. So, hindi lang malalaking company ang able to afford such feature, meron na rin sa ERPAT. Then, ganun na. Nagigigil ako. So, may adjustment yung payroll, may reports na rin. So, ERPAT will be able to export government reports such as SSR3, SSSR5, PhilHealth RF-1, Pag-ibig HDMF. Sa BIR, meron tayong BIR 2316, BIR 1601-C, annualization and withholding summary. Ang dami. Hindi lang to ha. Yung payroll nyo, meron na ring generate forecast. Meaning, sa ERPAT, based on the current workforce nyo and salary grade, magpo-forecast siya within 3 months. Ganon ka-astig, ganon ka-automated sa ERPAT. And with that, sobrang naitulong lang talaga sa atin ng imbes na mag-search pa ako ng Google isa-isa kung anong mga payroll system, ano yung problema within the payroll automation dito sa Pilipinas. Shinortcut na yun ni ChatGPT. So, tinulungan na ako in documenting yung mga process na yon, and ito na tayo.
IT-Man PH. Like, comment, and follow.